Corbin. Logan.
It's my puppy.
Corbin,
Oh!
can I help you? Let me have you throw it.
He got it. He can do
Well, he said yes the first time, so.
it. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Oh. It's done.
It went down.
Yeah.
Throw it real hard. Real hard. Oh.
Oh,
What did Rich ask you to bring?
Firewood.
Oh, I knew it would fall down.
Oh,
Good job, Corbin.
That's the weirdest thing, isn't it? What it's made of and stuff. Weird. Oh,
It's not different than the sticky hand.
We have plenty of firewood. There's so much back there.
Want me to help you?
What are you doing, Dutch?
Watch, Gordon. This is how you do it. As hard as you can. Ooh, no, as hard as you can.
Don't pull him. Throw him. Throw him. He's dirty now. He doesn't have any sticky left. You have to wash him off.
But if you wash him off, he'll have less sticky.
No, they stay sticky.
Oops, I did it. This is from a metal.
How do you get to people like this?
You gotta look at the people he got to.
what do you have?
Strong mind.
This.
He has strong mind. You
How do- yeah, how do you-
You pick up on people who don't have that.
You convince them to move to Africa?
Well, first you can- Sure.
And give them all their possessions.
Yeah.
He was,
Why does
well, I was just reading it, and he's incredibly,
smart?
absorbed into politics and everything. I mean,
You know how to push people.
he knew
apart.
all kinds of people.
Oh my
I
god.
mean, you'd think if he was a total freak, he
The
would.
politicians and religious leaders are pretty close to each other.
Yeah.
You know?
They both sell truth.
Right, and they know how to push buttons. Get people to pull the trigger. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, look at every cult leader they're with. Their husband because they're
Where do
charismatic.
you find these people at?
They get runaways. They get people who are down on their luck, and they vote and they get it to them.
Freaking scary!
Fallon.
He was in
Ask
church
you
and
another
it was
question.
like-
Would this go?
Dude.
I already did the necklace, the necklace, but I like
You mean the sweater?
the sweater, yeah.
What's wrong with the necklace?
What do you think? With the red shoes?
Yeah, very cute.
Come over here.
Even too
Very
much
cute.
with the necklace. I have
No, I like
too
it.
much with the necklace.
I like it.
Huh?
I have one thing
It's
too
nice.
much with the necklace. You still think that?
I still think so because the necklace has so much going on and that sweater has so much going on. The necklace was just red.
Should I just wear a black sweater?
This is our turtle.
Should I take this necklace off? And
His name
put
is
on the
Rocky.
long one?
Hey, let's see that.
I like the long one better anyway because it doesn't have the silver in it.
Okay, let's see what else we need.
Oh, jeez. That's valid, huh?
Turtle Rocky. He likes to bite.
He imprisoned people. Forging children is at the bottom, a knight at the bottom of a well, sometimes upside down.
Yeah, that's better.
If you wash it, it won't stick.
You have to dry it off. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, is that the camera?
Oh shit! What's wrong with you?
Oh my god!
Whoa! Holy mackerel! I can't do it.
Oh my
Whoa.
god! What's he pissed at?
The camera.
He's gonna attack the camera.
Serious?
Whoa!
What? Do it
We're out
again.
of here. I don't.
He can't,
No, no.
dude.
I don't want him to attack the camera. He's gonna leap at the camera.
Hear him growl?
Oh,
Watch
Oh,
him
he's,
piss. Look
he's pissed. He's mad.
We gotta show that.
Okay, we're out of here.
We gotta watch that.
He doesn't like that camera. Oh my goodness.
No, that's your camera, Angelica. Yeah, it's okay, you crazy.
Hey Corbin,
Oh!
say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Ooh.
Hey, Corbin. Hey,
Oh, this
say
is
goodbye.
so